Hello and welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. In today's demo, we'll be exploring the action feature. An action is a task or set of tasks that a user can perform on a record or set of records. These actions streamline and automate business processes, making it easier for users to perform common tasks quickly. To get started, go to the Config wizard and click on the Actions tab. Select the action that you want. Copy the configuration. Then, edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Scroll down to the Actions section. Paste the configuration and save your changes. Now, let's take a step back and see what we've done. We've added two actions. To make them look like buttons, go back to the config page. Set the custom visibility actions to 2 instead of 0. As you can see, the actions now appear as buttons. Once you've made these changes, click Save and you're all set. Thank you for watching.